Hello, this is Rachel Dawn with Algorithm Assist. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, I'm Rachel Dawn. I help brands connect with creators and build killer TikTok shop and marketing strategies that bring you in big. Okay, we're talking printing money. And no, it's not monopoly money. Maybe you're in the supplement niche if you're seeing this, the beauty industry, or any other e-commerce related product. Okay, what is so amazing about TikTok Shop and why does it make a difference? Why can it be up to sometimes 30 times more effective and more revenue generating? You may have saw the title of this email and thought, how funny, how intriguing, how can I learn more? In this video series, you're going to learn about TikTok Shop. I'm teaching you the ins, the outs, more effective than influencer marketing. How to navigate it as a brand that wants to connect with creators to bring in another stream of revenue that can generate up to $2 to $4 million a month. In this first session, I'd like to take some time to discuss actually what is TikTok Shop, what makes it so special. Okay, it is an opportunity for brands to actually capitalize. In fact, it is a simple fact that the TikTok shop and TikTok algorithm is completely unbeat. The ability for consumers to impulse buy. Okay, they're scrolling, they see your beautiful product, they see an influencer who's down to earth, okay, and has organic content, the ability to simply, with the click of a button, purchase something with organic marketing, okay? There is no other marketing strategy out there that capitalizes on organic views the way that this does. The following emails, I am going to show you case studies, tips, tricks, content tips and tricks that you can use for your business. And at Algorithm Assist, we're all about teaching and educating others, okay, about how we get from point A all the way to point Z, okay? How do you take your brand to be something that has the capacity to generate, an extra stream of revenue? How do you diversify your marketing strategy? How do you stay on top of the latest tips, tricks, and trends? We actually have a $2 to $4 million blueprint, okay, that we structure off of the highest earning TikTok shop strategies, shops. Right? Huge brands use this. For instance, Tarte Cosmetic, Shop Nello. These brands are absolutely killing it in the game. And what are they doing? They are working with top affiliates and they're using the exact secrets, tips, and tricks that our coaches and our team implements for you. And if this sounds like something you're interested in right off the bat, hey, like how can I structure my strategy based off of, what these top performing brands are doing right now and print myself some money that's not monopoly money, okay? Uh, it's, you may see the other email, it's not the strange side hustle your uncle has. We like to make jokes here, but we're serious, but we want to grab your attention. But it's because we have a serious opportunity for growth for you and your company. So if you need a helping hand, if you're like, I don't know what I'm doing with TikTok Shop, or maybe I do know, maybe I've tried something, maybe I need a better strategy, I need, someone to be able to manage this for me, go ahead and click and book in our Calendly link down below or on the email that we sent over. And what we'll do is we'll do a comprehensive chat about where you are with your marketing, what your goals are, okay, what it would take in terms of a complete strategy overhaul for you to actually get into that space of having a strategy that matches people that are generating $2 to $4 million on TikTok Shop, and then the financing portion of how we work to implement that strategy done for you with managing those affiliates, going ahead and sourcing them for you, using top marketing strategies, okay, so that way you're not going in circles, doggy paddling, figuring out how to do this by yourself, without a team, or without a team that's well versed in TikTok Shop, okay? So go ahead, and if you want to take advantage of that opportunity, go ahead and click the link down below and we'll chat with you soon.